Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of On the Farm with E-I-E-I-O, and this video is going to be mostly about our baby animals. So we're going to give you guys some updates on our babies, and we have a new baby. We're Evelyn,
Isaac, Eli, Isla,
and this is Oren, and this is On the Farm with
I.
Oren, say oh!
Let's go!
This is his sweet spot right down there. Oh, hi, Poppy. Poppy's an attention hog. Good morning, Mo. Oh, puppies. Hi. The puppies are absolutely adorable. They started opening their eyes and it's so cute. They're starting to climb all over me and be curious about everything. They grow so fast. So this is our little tiny one. This one is a girl. Hi. So they're all just kind of relaxing and laying down. Some of them got up when I came in here. And we put Poppy back in with the other goats. She still has not had her babies. She looks so big. So I just have to wait and see. Really anxious for baby goats, Poppy. Yes, we are. So you guys know that our other goats are out back here, and Buttercup is currently in heat right now. So hopefully she's gonna get bred and have babies this fall. Same with all the other goats. You guys are so sweet. So this is what it's like having friendly animals. They follow you everywhere. Hey you guys, sorry it's a little bit windy today, but other than that, the weather is amazing. And America's following me right now. That's what she always does. And we have an escape artist. Anna! You're supposed to be in with the other goats. So, as far as America goes, she has begun a little bit of training. She knows how to lead, and I'm starting to lunge her, and she's actually doing pretty good. She's pretty well behaved, but she just wants to love people and be loved. When I'm riding the horses, she'll literally walk right in front of us and just get in the way. She's sitting right in front of our pole. In case you're wondering why we named her America, it's because we picked her out on the 4th of July. We thought that was the perfect name. Actually, Isla named her because it's Isla's little pony. So I said we have a new baby. It's one of the cows. Can you guess who? Gertie or Rosie? So if you guessed Rosie, you were right. Right now the calf is sleeping and Rosie's grazing. So let's see if we can find the calf. Okay, so I don't know how this happened, but he's on the other side of the fence, so I'm gonna help him back in. Hi, baby. Hi. It's okay. Hi, sweetie. Rosie is half Angus, half Jersey, and the father is Highland. So this little calf has kind of curly hair, so it's gonna look more Highland than anything, but compared to his mom, he is so light. Hi, buddy. He's got curls on his head. Sweetheart. He is so cute. Say hi. He's adorable. Okay, let's get him back in. So he probably just got out. I'm guessing he can get back in with her, but I'm gonna put him back in there anyway. Oh, there he goes, right back in. So, sorry you guys, I forgot to say the calf's gender and name, so this is the next day. And the calf is a boy, so he's a bull calf, and Oren named him. Oren, what did you name the calf? What's his name? Oren, did you name the calf Barney? Is his name Barney? Do you like that name? Isla, what do you think of the new calf?
It's super cute. I like that it started walking right after it was born.
So Gertie still hasn't had a baby, but she is so close. So we moved the chicks outside. The chicks are so much bigger now, and they're about to go outside. Hi, chickens. So I'm going to go ahead and roll up the sides so that they can get some fresh air. So we move these guys every single day to get fresh grass and bugs. They love to be outside and get more fresh air. When we move them, the boys push the chickens forward while I give Dad signals of when to go and when to stop. Major storms coming in tonight. So the storm was super intense for about 45 minutes, but once the storm clouds passed, the sunset was beautiful. There was even a rainbow. It was so pretty. We have a great view from our farmhouse. Okay, so it is the morning after the storm, and it's pretty wet. The ducks are very happy with their puddles. Dad brought over a mobile range chicken coop. Right before the storm, he put it in here. I think he was gonna move it, and it flipped in the storm. That is not the first time that has happened. Thankfully, we didn't have any chickens in it this time. Hey, pretty girls. You guys look so much alike. So Spots is turning 25 very soon. It's almost her birthday. Lately, I've been trying to ride every day. Because we're homeschooled, that is pretty easy to do. But my horses are getting much more well behaved, and soon kids will be able to be on them. So, we have lately only had our pigs in here, but we set up a hot wire fence to let them out here. And our pigs are Kune Kunes, and so they graze on grass, and I'm sure they are loving this. Hi, Lola. Hi. These guys are like little dogs. They are so sweet. And these guys will probably only get about twice their size right now. They're really small. They're so sweet and they're loving this. So you guys might know that ponies tend to overeat. So we're gonna start putting America in a dry lot for the night. And right now she is in this area where the horses were. It's really muddy because we had the big storm last night. Ready to go see your friends? So you guys know that we moved our cows out to pasture, but we did not move him out. He is last year's bull calf and we never got to fixing him. So we're gonna fix him as a 1-year-old. So he needs to stay up here on his own for a little bit. So I've been giving him some grain and hopefully he'll warm up to me. He right now won't get within 5 feet of me and he won't even come up to me. He's never done that before. So this is Hermione. She was always very skittish, but now she's much better. And she is currently pregnant.
There's some redness on this strawberry. Strawberries are my favorite in the garden.
Spring is my favorite time of year. I love all the baby animals. So thanks for visiting our farm today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. Love from our farm to your home. So there's a certain time of day where there's a certain time of day where what was I gonna say? Welcome back to another episode of On the Farm with E-I-E-I-O. And we got there are some adorable new babies on the farm. So you guys know that our other babies are out back here. Don't do that. Ow. Stinker. Go.